Shangyan Power Group is a professional manufacturer of more than 1,000 types of diesel engines for engineering, business, marine, and agricultural applications. Other core products include the synchronous brushless alternator. In addition, Shangyan Power Group is also outfitted with diesel generator set assembly capacity and sophisticated production capacity, well meeting diverse requirements from customers. We design and produce these outstanding products utilizing our two technical development and production bases, including Shanghai Dongfeng Diesel Engine Institution and Shanghai Stamford Power Equipment Company Limited. These two production bases span an area of 13,000 square meters and produce 10,000 diesel engines and 12,000 alternators per year, which provides an annual profit of 400 million yuan. Shangyan Power Group has established a strong research and development department and strong supporting manufacturing capacity. These strengths yield innovative, high-quality products which feature a long service life and very competitive prices. A new manufacturing plant of Shangyan Power Group is under construction right now, which is planned to accomplish and put into production in 2018. The new manufacturing plant is designed to cover an overall area of 25,000 square meters and be equipped with brand new production line and exhaust emission treatment system. Thanks to these advanced machinery, the output of Shangyan Power Group in 2018 could be doubled. To enhance customer satisfaction in the global marketplace, Shangyan Power Group founded its foreign trade department in 2013, and with years of development, Shangyan Power Group has grabbed its foothold in the overseas market with an annual export value of $15 million. Its customers mainly spread throughout Turkey, Dubai, Lebanon, Algeria, Peru, Brazil, Poland, Portugal, Greece, Indonesia, Vietnam, Burma, and Thailand. Shangyan Power Group has become one of the leading export enterprises for the production of 6135, G128, and SYG/SYD series diesel engine. Shangyan Power Group's production bases utilize a one-stop component warehouse management system, WMS. Crankshafts, pistons, injection pump, and other key components are all purchased from well-known enterprises, featuring excellent mechanical properties, uniform hardness, and high stability, which aptly guarantees the excellent performance of our diesel engines. The production of diesel engines for marine and power plant use are completed in this production base. In the production base, more than 10 platforms are outfitted for diesel engines assembly, which are equipped with highly advanced equipment and staffed with effective assembly workers with more than 5 years working experience. They provide an annual production of more than 6,000 engine components. Shangyan Power Group is also outfitted with alternator production base. In this production base, the production is performed in strict accordance with Europe design standards, manufacturing technology standards, and quality control system standards. Meanwhile, in terms of assembly, Essex copper wires from the United States, Atlantis E300 insulation materials from Germany, Wisco silicon steel, and many imported materials are adopted. After assembly, alternator will undergo a series of testing, including phase-to-phase insulation resistance testing and voltage withstand testing. Best in class Insulating varnish is adopted for stator, rotor, and other key parts with vacuum pressure impregnation, VPI. The design does not only help to fix the coils, it also helps to prevent leaking electricity and short-circuiting, improving the stability of our alternators. Notably, post-production testing is carried out, including the loading test, TN curve test, endurance test, and start current test. These tests help to ensure that all the specifications and performances of our alternator are qualified for delivery. The SYG series diesel engine is a newly developed diesel engine, which is an improvement of the SY135 series diesel engine. The SYG series diesel engine features enhanced energy saving and emissions reduction. Additionally, it enjoys a huge improvement in quality, reliability, cost-performance ratio, vibration and noise generation, and overall appearance. Our SYG series diesel engine uses a superior supercharging technology and charge air cooler technology, as well as high-pressure oil pump, low inertia fuel injector, and electric speed governor, allowing excellent diesel atomization and robust combustion. In addition, we have upgraded in terms of fuel consumption, which was changed to 197 grams per kilowatt hour. Next, a non-quenched and tempered steel crankshaft and improved gasket are also adopted. Instead of a drive shaft, oil injection pumps are directly connected by gears, which highly improves the reliability of our diesel engines. Please note, the fuel lines, peripheral pipes, and air filters are all redesigned for better structure and better appearance. Our multi-valve diesel engine is also a new product, which was developed on the basis of the 12V138 series diesel engine. The body of the multi-valve diesel engine is made of compacted graphite iron, CGI, allowing high rigidity, good vibration damping, low noise, small emission, compact structure, and high reliability and high driving force. And its body features alloy cast iron material, reasonable structure, and better sealing effect. For its cylinder head, 4 valves are used for small air intake resistance, high charging efficiency, and proper turbulence. When used together with high-performance P-type oil injector, a better combustion will be achieved. Moreover, advanced ceramic chrome piston ring and thin-wall alloy cylinder liner are adopted to reduce fuel consumption. The SYG series marine diesel engine is specially designed for marine use. The diesel engine has been developed on the basis of the old marine engine with a bore of 135 millimeters. When compared with a traditional marine diesel engine, the SYG series marine consumption in full load is only 197 grams per kilowatt hour. Therefore, it is more competitive for users who are experiencing rising fuel costs. Our SYG series marine diesel engine, similar to G series diesel engine, adopts similar technology improvements in the gasket, water pump, and oil pump. But Shangyan Power Group also redesigned its fuel pipe and its exterior parts. Significantly, a water-cooled exhaust manifold, CAN bus, controller area network, and visual audible alarm are equipped, featuring integrated system, compact structure, and easy installment. In addition, for easy operation and convenient maintenance, some of the components of the SYG Series Marine diesel engine share certain commonalities with those of the 135-bore diesel engine. This product adopts both the diesel engine of Shanghai Dongfeng Diesel Engine Institute and alternator of Shanghai Stanford Equipment Company Limited. The diesel generator set could either be a silent or open type. For silent diesel generator, the noise will be less than 7.5 BD. Our diesel generator set is also outfitted with a damper, possessing proper hardness and flexibility. Thus, the stability of the generator set is aptly ensured. Besides that, an automatic transfer switch, ATS, traction motor, and electric monitoring are all available for our diesel generator set.